Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss one IGCSE physics alternative to practical question, that is investigate the effect of changing the color of light on the focal length of a lens. Let's start. Here is the question. A student investigates the effect of changing the color of light on the focal length of a lens. I will try to explain with a simple experimental setup, but this is completely an alternative to practical paper, so no need of doing any experiments in your exam, just the knowledge, experimental knowledge. Students mostly confuse with this distance u, the distance between an object and the lens. Distance v is the distance between the lens and the image that is formed on a screen. So I will try to explain with a experimental setup. Let's start. Let's see the apparatus. Illuminated object, color filters, converging lens or convex lens, a screen and a meter rule. So here is a sample diagram, but you can draw your own diagram, and you must label the apparatus like shown here. But it is not mandatory the diagram must be like this. This is just a sample. So let's see briefly how we are going to do the investigation, including the measurements we are going to take. Let's start. The distance u is the distance between the object and the lens. So this distance is u. The distance v is the distance between the lens and the image that is formed on the screen. Now I have taken a red color filter and I have focused the clear image on the screen. Now we measure this v, that is the distance between image and the middle of the lens, and we measure the distance between middle of the lens and the object, and we record it on the table. Then we repeat the experiment with different colors, and again we have to focus a clear image. I am moving or adjusting the lens until I get a clear image. Yeah, now we have to again record the distance between the focused image to the middle of the lens and middle of the lens to the object. So we have to repeat this with a different color filter, and we record the values on the table. This is the experimental procedure. I hope you got it. So here is the sample table with column heading color filter, then U in meter or centimeter and V in meter or centimeter, and the equation from the question in meter or centimeter. State how you would use your results to reach a conclusion. You can write any of these two. Plot bar chart of focal length and color, or compare results to see how the change of color affects the focal length, or compare results to determine the effect of a change in color on the focal length. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best.